Welcome to Module 1 of Correcting Performance Problems. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Welcome to Correcting Performance Problems. Correcting performance problems has always been a top leadership priority, however, now the stakes are even higher. When you are ready, click Next to watch a short introductory video. Today's workplace is constantly changing, with unprecedentedly high expectations for results. This requires each of us to perform at our best and beyond. Left unaddressed, performance problems can have the following impact. 1. Limit team capability to meet expectations and respond agilely to change. 2. Place additional burden on already maxed out team members, causing friction and disengagement. And, lessen leader credibility, a prerequisite for building the trusted relationships needed to meet today's challenges. Fortunately, there are solutions to all these problems. They begin with learning how to correct performance problems. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Let's debrief. When these tricky conversations are handled well, it enhances Pride staff's brand as an employer and your individual reputation as a leader, drawing the best talent to you. Given what's at stake, leaders need to be ready to take prompt and constructive action to address performance problems. That's why we are here. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Let's begin by going over the course learning outcomes. Click the circles below to review each course learning outcome. Once you have clicked all 6 circles, you may click Next to continue. 1. Identify common reasons leaders delay conversations to correct performance. 2. Describe the consequences of a delay in addressing performance issues. 3. Identify performance situations that warrant corrective action. 4. Prepare for critical components of performance improvement conversations. 5. Conduct focused, collaborative performance conversations that generate improved results. And 6. Respond constructively to defensive employee behaviors. The purpose of this course is to 1. Address recurring performance problems. 2. Get an individual's performance back on track. And 3. Tap into the self-motivation and ownership needed for lasting results. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Let's take a high-level look at how this course will flow. We've started with our introduction and explored why correcting performance problems is so critical for today's leaders. Next, we'll explore a set of steps that will help you correct performance successfully. Then, we'll take a look at a crucial conversation, so we'll talk about 4 high-payoff preparation activities. Then, you'll apply dynamics of defensiveness and the role it plays in correcting performance. Next, we will complete an activity with a real situation that will help you apply what you've learned. Finally, we'll wrap up the session with a focus on moving forward, a chance for you to reflect on key insights you have gained and how you'll put them to use. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Great job, you have completed Module 1. Now that you can describe why correcting performance problems is important as a leader, and have a clear picture of where we're heading, let's learn more about when this skill of correcting performance problems is needed and what can make it challenging for most leaders. Click the X in the top right corner of this course to continue on to Module 2.